Hey, it's Rick. Welcome back to the channel. From time to time I do product reviews. This is going to be a product review. This is on the Bad Boy 42-inch zero-turn mower. This is the Rambler MZ Rambler edition. I just picked this up and just purchased it. We have about a half acre of Bermuda grass here. It's kind of gotten overgrown with some weeds, and I need something that's going to be able to handle it. I get tired of pushing with a push mower. So if you're not familiar with this particular brand, Bad Boy, they're made in the United States, and it's a quality mower. Look at this. Look at this deck here. You can step on that deck, actually. They recommend it. So when you step on the mower, you're able to just step right on the deck there. It's brand new, so a lot of people haven't stepped on it because it'll probably wear out that little decal there. But that is a welded blade deck. And the cool thing about this mower, not a lot of bells and whistles, which is perfect. It's got a little dial selector right there with a foot pedal, assist pedal, to be able to raise and lower the deck in increments of 1.5, 2.0, all the way up to 4.5, it looks like 4.5. We'll come around the back here so you can see a little bit better. Most of your controls are over here on the right-hand side where it's accessible, really nice. You got your speed and throttle control right there, your PTO that engages your blades. And you can also install some lights on here if you want to. This one doesn't have lights. This is a 725cc. The Kohler 725 KT25. Now the crazy thing about this, it comes with usually a 1900 Briggs & Stratton motor. But they've been overwhelmed with trying to get this out. That Briggs wasn't able to keep up with their order from what I understand. And they had to switch over to this Kohler 7000 series, which is a little bit bigger, a little bit more horsepower. From what I understand, I think it's 22 horsepower versus the 19. Probably not a major significant difference. Kohlers, I'm not sure with. I had a Courage a long time ago, and it lost its courage and threw a rod right through the crankcase. So that was it for that one. So I'm going to give these guys a nice try here. It's got a nice, great big 5-gallon tank. That's unusual for a mower. For residential, it actually has an indicator right here for your fuel. And let me tell you people, they recommend having that non-ethanol fuel. Right now that stuff's running about $4.50 a gallon. So you can see it can add up really quick. Your choke is over here on the right-hand side, which is nice, so you're not all jammed up over on the other side there. This is a brake, and it's a nice welded tubular steel frame. I can't remember, I think it's 7-gauge steel deck, and I have a hitch coming later. Look how they wrap it around and they protect the muffler back there. That's really nice. Nice access to the oil filter. The other thing that's nice is if you pop this up here, look at all this. Access to everything. Nice, good size battery, and it's right underneath the seat. And your solenoids are right there. You got your filter. And it's actually a shut-off, a fuel shut-off. In case you want to work on it, you can shut it off. If you're doing anything electrical, that's pretty cool. Or just for safety in general. Now see the pulleys there? Watch this. This is what's really cool about this mower. See this rubber mat here? They stamped this out in their factory. This deck comes right up, this foot deck. And your anti-scalp wheels are right there. And look at this. Access to all your pulleys and everything right there. Your belts when you need to change them out. That is pretty cool, people. So I don't want to make this real long. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and run this out on my yard, and then maybe I'll follow up with it if you want. But we'll try to keep this as small as possible, and I'll let you know whether I recommend this or not. Also, let me throw this in here real quick. This chute is rubberized, so it's not plastic, cheap plastic, in case you run into anything. You can leave it up if you want to get close to whatever it is you're cutting, or you can keep it down so it's protecting when you're discharging and stuff like that. The wheels are, looks 18 by 8 by 18 by 8.50, 8 Super Turf by Kenda Tubeless. Not really sure.
what that is. And it's got the smaller wheels on here. It looks like 11 by 4.0-5. So I'm not a major expert on it. I just wanted to give you a look at it. I think it's pretty cool. American made engine, made in the USA, of US and global parts. Well, that's like everything these days, isn't it? All right, thanks a lot, people. That's it. Want any more information? If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. Hope everybody's doing okay. Take care.